Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be talking about an update of what happened to the channel the past few days. So we uploaded like maybe a good 6 videos yesterday, maybe a little bit more, maybe less, something like that. And these 6 videos are going to be accompanied with a few more, but they're all fitting in the keyword research kind of playlist. And if you're not familiar, if you didn't watch the videos, I highly recommend you go watch them. I could tell a lot of people didn't watch them, probably because I overflooded the algorithm just posting like 6 videos. But really what went down is these new updates. I wanted to create a playlist, almost like a free course on this channel around keyword research and how to use a keyword research tool properly. So yeah, that's kind of what it was for. And when I pick a keyword research tool to share, I have to keep in mind things like price, functionality. There's a lot of different details. I'll probably compare the keyword research tool that I did show in these YouTube videos with other ones in the future. I think that would be a good comparison. But with that being said, I think keyword research is I know it's a crucial part to SEO. I mean, that should be obvious. It shouldn't be something that really needs to be discussed, probably pretty obvious. But anyways, so I dropped these videos, and they all have kind of different purposes, different concepts. If you want to watch them, go ahead and watch them. We have a playlist. I'll leave the link in the description to the playlist, but you could see here, this is the playlist right here, okay? And this is an ad. I don't know who this guy is, but let's go ahead and skip the ad here so that we get it out of the way. But yeah, so this is the software tool, and there's 6 videos in the playlist currently. There's going to be more with time, and I left a link in the description to a blog post around the tool. And the tool kind of describe the blog post. It's very hefty. There's a lot of content in the blog post. Not only how to get a discount from Angles, which I'll actually make a separate video on. I'll make a whole entire video on that, kind of describing how to get the discount. But basically, there is like a full-on blog post that I wrote, which I'm actually going to add content to. So I'm going to add content to it with time. You could see how long the table of contents is, which is pretty ridiculous. But you could see there's a ton of content. I went pretty deep into this blog post with it. And we're actually at 75% zoom. So it's really like this. It's pretty long of a blog post. There's a lot of content here, and I go in pretty deep describing how to use the tool, the whole information behind it. So if you're writing a blog and you think maybe you're picking the wrong keywords, and a good indication of that is just if you've already written some blog posts, it's been a long time, you're not really getting impressions or clicks or views or anything like that, you're probably picking the wrong blog post to write about based on the keywords that you're selecting. So it's kind of a science, there's a little bit of science to it. I obviously have some editing to do on the blog post, like certain things like this, cleaning things up, maybe even adding some more content to it for sure. There's no question about that. But I'll leave a link in the description to both the playlist and the blog posts, and with time I'll keep adding more videos to the playlist. So that was just a little update about what's been going on recently, and why I kind of uploaded so many videos in one shot, just to have it up there so that if anybody asks, like, well, how do I do keyword research, or how do I know what keywords to pick, or how do I know what keywords to find, or how do I find keywords, or what software do I use, etc. Just so many different things are all answered in this blog post and in the video. So it's kind of like that free resource, like I said, that's going to be up on the internet forever and just there for you to use. All right, guys, so you could think of it as my gift to you, pretty much. I'll leave a link in the description, like I said, to the playlist and to the blog post. You can go ahead and watch them later, read through them, do whatever you kind of want to. Like I said, the blog post still needs work. I'm still adding to it, but it's already pretty long. I mean, I don't know how many words are there, but it's already got a lot of content. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, peace out, bye.